Would you like to spring out of bed in the morning with the energy to get stuck into your day, play with your kids, perform better and make better choices? Do you hit snooze on your alarm, drag yourself out of bed, avoid everyone until you've had that morning coffee? Well, you're not alone. According to a recent Australian study, only 49% of women report having a deep sleep and just 65% of men. We also know that after a poor night's sleep, we consume on average an extra 300 to 400 calories the next day. These things have significant implications on our life and our health. Hey there, I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. The reason I'm doing this video series is that I often see patients who are struggling with poor sleep. It's having an effect on their energy, their recovery, mood, relationships, and the quality of life that they want. I want to get these easy to implement steps out there to support people improve their sleep, improve their health, and get more out of their life. If you can relate to this, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can improve your sleep, wake feeling more refreshed, and spring out of bed in the morning. Let me touch on some background information so that you can understand why this is so important. Let's get started. Our bodies are amazing machines. They have an intricate system of clocks called the circadian rhythm that signals many of our body's natural functions. When this system is disrupted, it can manifest in many different ways, including sleep disorders, mood issues, blood sugar irregularities, poor recovery from exercise, depression, anxiety, and many chronic health disorders. By modifying our light exposure and other behavioural techniques, we can optimise our circadian rhythm to improve our health issues and enhance our health. There are two key hormones that regulate the sleep-wake cycle. One is melatonin, the other is cortisol. Cortisol is one of our stress hormones that gets you up in the morning. When you open your eyes in the morning, the light that enters your eyes signals the brain that it's daytime. Cortisol levels should steadily rise over the 30 minutes after waking, then gradually decline throughout the day. On the other hand, there's melatonin, which is an anti-inflammatory, and it's essential for sleep. When the brain detects a reduction in the blue light entering your eyes, it stimulates the release of melatonin, which is at its greatest from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. and then decreases until dawn. As dawn approaches, our body can shift back into activity mode as cortisol rises and melatonin drops. While we're asleep, a whole array of internal housekeeping activities can be switched on. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., we can undergo significant physical healing if we're asleep. If we're awake at this time, we're missing out on a key healing opportunity. From 1 a.m. to 5 a.m., we get more mental healing. Many of us are living, eating, sleeping and working at hours that are at odds with our biological clock, leading to disruption in this rhythm. Exposure to blue light at night suppresses melatonin production, which can exacerbate sleep issues, cause difficulty to getting sleep or staying asleep, and reduce overall sleep quality. Poor sleep can have such a significant effect on our life. It can affect the quality of our work. It can reduce sport or gym performance, slow our reaction time, contributing to more accidents and falls. It can affect our interaction with others, affecting relationships, and it can reduce our healing capacity, mental clarity and thinking, and influence our food choices. Can you relate to any of these? I know I certainly can. It's crucial to establish and maintain consistent sleep routines and cycles. Your health depends on it. Making just one change per week can allow you to gain momentum in moving towards great quality sleep, improved healing, improved body maintenance, and ultimately better health. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to share with you simple ways to improve your sleep, wake refreshed, and get more out of your day. If you think you could benefit from better sleep, please tune in each week. Comment below your biggest challenge when it comes to sleep so I can make sure I address it in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Much appreciated. I look forward to you joining me in the other videos in this series. Take care. Bye for now.